What's up, guys? Welcome back to the PBP YouTube channel. Guys, we got the built series going on. I got the gray ghost truck behind me. What's that mean? We had another performance part show up to help us achieve that C5 HP package. If you've been following along, last time we talked about these Waggler competition connecting rods. Guys, but there's one problem. What goes on the other end of this connecting rod? That's what we're going to talk about today. So let's not waste any more time. Let's check it out. So guys, we're going to be talking about pistons. We've got a billet rod. Can we run a billet piston? That's what we're discussing today. All right, guys, so remember, we're running a deck plated engine. Yes, we're putting sleeves in the engine. Yes, we're going to be running a smaller piston, but remember, we're going to be running an inch longer rod. So this 6.7 liter engine will go down to a 6.4, but don't worry, we've got all the boost to make up for it. So now, let's talk about that piston. An 03 to 04 Cummins piston, 5.9, will work in place of a 6.7 engine. Yes, they're about a degree off on the spray angle of an injector, but we're going to move past that. We're going to be putting them in, so they're going to be smaller, but since our house is stronger because we sleeved it, we're going to be a win for a win. Now let's talk about spray angle and piston bowl design. All right, guys, so we're talking about piston bowl design. Keep in mind, this is a 6.7 liter Cummins engine. We're taking a piston out of a 03, 04, 5.9 Cummins and putting it in place. Guys, this piston works. It's proven. We're putting it in. As an added bonus, my injectors out of the 6.7 will be a direct replacement. Now, guys, we're going to dive into those spray angles of those injectors that we're going to be running. Guys, we still got to keep our OEM 03, 04 style piston. That way our injectors work. But we got to have a piston that can withstand super high amounts of cylinder pressure, because we're going to be dumping in twice the amount of fuel, maybe 3 times the amount of fuel, way more boost, and if we use nitrous, then we're going to have everything in that cylinder. Guys, a factory piston will crack. So that's where we reached out to our guys over at D&J Precision. We said, hey, we want a piston we can throw the world at and it won't crack in half. So guys, what's that piston look like? What's it made out of? Let's check it out. All right, guys, so we reached out to Drew at D&J Precision, told him our goal horsepower out of the truck, and guess what? We've got a set of billet pistons in front of us. These are FSR series pistons, forged steel ring pistons. Guys, up top, what makes them so special, this groove has been inserted in the piston. That way the ring doesn't beat inside the piston, causing us to lose power. Next, guys, look at the engineering on the front of this piston. We're going to be running a higher profile camshaft. We want to make for sure it doesn't come in contact with the piston, so these are called valve reliefs. Next thing, keep in mind, we're running those 6.7 injectors, so we got to maintain that 03, 04 style piston bowl design. So guys, I know it's a fancy piston, it looks cool, don't let it fool you. This piston will take one hell of a beating. Alright guys, so our D&J Precision pistons are now headed out the door. They're going to Waggler competition. They're assembling our short block, that way we can get it back here and get this truck up and running. Guys, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you run a set of FRS pistons by D&J, drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We're dropping new videos every single Friday. Subscribe to all of our social media channel, and see you next time on the PBP YouTube channel.